Step 1. First, ensure your operating system is up to date. Go to Windows search bar. Type check for updates. Click on open it. Click on check for update again. Install if any update available. Install it. Step 2. Open Task Manager. By right clicking on taskbar, you will open Task Manager. Now close any unnecessary background application that could interfere with the game by right clicking and selecting End Task. Right click and click on End Task. Step 3. Now go to Windows search bar. Type GeForce Experience. Click on drivers. Click on check for update. And download if any updates available. Download the update. Step 4. If you are using Steam, right click on FIFA 23 in your library, open it. Now right click on your FIFA 23 in your library, click on Properties. Then select Verify Integrity of Game Files. For EA app users, go to My Library, right click on FIFA 23 and select Repair. Step 5. Disable Overlays. To disable system overlays, go to your Steam library, right click on FIFA 23, select Properties and disable this Steam overlay. In Discord, click and open it. Click on Open Discord. Go to User Settings. Navigate to Game Overlay section and turn off the in-game overlay. Step 6. Adjust Launch option. In Steam, right-click on FIFA 23 in your library. Select Properties and under Launch option, copy and paste the launch option provided in my video description. Click OK to save. Step 7. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Also download and install Visual C++ redistributable. Download the latest DirectX Microsoft website. Check my video description for the download link and install it. Step 8. Now clear FIFA 23 cache files. Go to Windows search bar, type run, click and open it, type %local app data % and click on OK. Delete the folders named EA and Electronic Arts. Ensure the EA app is not running in the background. Exit if necessary. If playing from Origin, delete the Origin folder. If you are playing from Steam, delete the Steam folder after ensuring Steam is closed. Now reinstall the game. If none of above step resolve the issue, consider uninstalling FIFA 23 in Steam. Right click in FIFA 23 in your library, select manage and then click on uninstall. Reinstall the game afterward. I hope these steps help resolve the launching issue of FIFA 23. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.